Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your watch model supports the magnetic charger you have, because alignment matters for charging. Plug a quality USB adapter into power and connect the charger cable. Avoid low power ports. Clean both the watch back and the charger surface to remove oils or dirt, since contact prevents charging. Once done, place the watch face up and keep the band loosened so the sensor area sits flat against the charger for a steady connection. Now you align the magnetic puck to the center of the watch back. You will feel it snap into place. The screen should instantly display the charging icon and battery percentage, which confirms a good connection. If it doesn't, gently lift and reseat the charger. Small misalignment stops current. While charging, you can speed the process by using airplane mode or enabling power reserve because they reduce background activity, and make sure ambient temperature stays between recommended limits to avoid slow charging. When the watch reaches the percentage you need, remove it from the charger and close the band. Frequent partial charges are fine for daily use. If charging fails, first inspect the cable and adapter for damage, then restart the watch to clear temporary faults. This resolves many issues. If still unsuccessful, try a different compatible charger or power adapter to isolate the problem, and make sure to contact support if hardware appears faulty, because replacement components fix persistent charging failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.